everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Earth Day cake and cupcakes. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First, we're going to need 1 box of white cake mix, so you can make any kind that you like. And I am going to prepare mine for the back of the box using only egg whites. So I need 4 egg whites, a half a cup of some kind of oil. I'm using vegetable oil, and then 1 1/4 cups of water. And then we are going to need some blue and green food coloring. And then I thought it would be fun to pipe on some red hearts, because I have to have some kind of frosting onto each cupcake. And then I thought the little sprinkles could represent, you know, all of the people, animals, plants, everything in the world. So we'll just make it fun with some sprinkles as well. We are also going to need a cupcake tin, and I am just going to make 12 cupcakes and a cake. You could make 24 cupcakes, you could just make 2 cakes, you could make whatever you want here. So I'm just going to make 12 cupcakes and a cake, and I bought these little heart cupcake liners because, hello, we love the earth. It's Earth Day. So let's go ahead and get started by preheating the oven to 350, and I am going to spray my cake pan with cooking spray, and then of course, you know, I already put the liners into my muffin tin. Alright, now I am just going to make my cake per the back of the box. So in my big huge bowl here, I have my cake mix, water, oil, and my eggs, just the whites. I just crack mine open and I keep transferring the yellow from side to side until I get all the whites out. That's just the way I do it. You can do it any way you want. So I'm going to beat this with an electric mixer on medium speed for 2 minutes. Alright, my cake is all nice and mixed, so I am going to pour half of this white batter into another bowl, and then I'm going to put some green food coloring in one bowl and some blue food coloring to what's left. Alright, both of my colors have been added, and I am happy with the way they turned out. So now we are just going to take little spoonfuls and just put them into our muffin tins, but be sure not to mix them up too much, because then they'll just turn like an ugly brown. Alright, my cupcakes and my cake are ready to go into the oven. There's no rhyme or reason for this. I just put both colors in separate bowls and took a spoon in each hand and just kind of dolloped it on there as best I could. So let's go ahead and get these into the oven for 19 minutes, and we'll check them to see if a toothpick comes out clean. Alright, I just took my cupcakes and my cake out at 16 minutes because I just don't want them to get too brown. You can see the edges are starting to brown on the cake, and I did not want that to happen, and they are done to me. So I'm going to let them both sit here and cool for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to remove my cake to a cooling rack. And then that's when we'll frost them too, after they cool off a bit. Alright, my cupcakes and cake cooled for about 10 minutes, and then I just went ahead and put them onto cooling racks, but I'm going to let them cool completely before I frost on my hearts and put my sprinkles on. But I went ahead and got my red frosting into a big Ziploc bag, and I'm just going to cut off the tip when the time comes. But I am really, really happy with how these turned out. The colors did not run too much. I could have filled up my cupcake tins a little more than I did, but I didn't want them to spill over. They just look really cute. And my cake looks super cute. Alright, my cupcakes have cooled off, and I piped on my hearts, and then I put my little sprinkles to represent all the people and animals of the world. Of course, you don't have to do that. They looked cute enough without the sprinkles. But since my frosting came with them, I thought I would use them. So I am so happy with how they all turned out. So let's see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Happy Earth Day.